Hey everybody, Justin Ballard here, doing another one of our videos. This is segment 2 of 7, and today we're testing some water from my friend here in Pasadena, California, just a few blocks away. So we're going to see if the water quality is any different, and we're using the electrolyzer electrolysis, and it's going to break the hydrogen and oxygen apart in your water using electricity. And by doing that, all the other colors that we're going to see evolve or come through are going to be what's hidden. And they will represent things such as sodium, magnesium, calcium, and those are all very important, along with potassium, to have in your body. And the water I drink is Kangen. And for you that, if it's your first time tuning in, I've been very sick for the last year. I've lost over 100 pounds, and I got to the point where I was having seizures and shakes, and I needed to figure out what was happening. And it turned out it was actual chemicals in the water that were causing some of my symptoms to go so extreme. So I have to find answers, what was causing it. So today we're going to do a little bit different video, and because it is number 2, I'm going to show you guys the power of sodium and potassium. And so what I've done is I've mixed up sodium carbonate, permanate, potassium, and luminol. And the sodium and potassium are what runs your intercellular pumps in your body. So here's kind of a picture of what the actual sodium channel looks like. And it's funny, it looks just like the Tesla coil I built, and these little little copper twists that I have from my computer. They're, I don't know if you can get a good visual on it, but it's kind of funny that that's in our body. That kind of blew my mind to see that, because I'm a big computer geek. So let's go ahead and hit the lights, Christine. And I'm taking the small beaker. Now it's going to be dark, so hopefully everybody's watching closely. And I'm going to open this up, and we're going to pour the mixture in. And we're going to stir it up. That is a really cool visual of the electrical power in water.
So what is that?
That's sodium, potassium, and luminol. And the reaction chemically you get when you mix it with H2O. And that's Kangen water, actually. That's 9.5 alkaline. Now here's the next trip. And we can go ahead and hit the lights if everybody can see that the water's been glowing. That's pretty cool.
Contradicts anybody who's concerned that it takes the electrolytes out of the water.
All right, so now that we have it opened, and by the way, everybody, if you're hearing who's talking, this is one of our physical therapist friends from New York, and it's Kevin. And we got Greg. Sorry, guys, I missed the introduction. So we got Greg, we got Jasmine, we have Theresa, we have the amazing JC. Hey, JC. And Christine, and we're all passionate about why the water does what it does and what makes it so powerful. And we're still running this experiment. We got another minute or two. Wow, that's...
So what's going on right there?
So on the left, we have drinking water from my friend in Pasadena, and on the right, it is it's a breakdown of water from a local restaurant, and the colors that you see represent what is being found in the water. And so when you break it down with electricity, if there is no minerals in it, the water should be completely clear. So that just shows that there's man-made chemicals in the water. And so, but I'm not going to be talking about that because I don't want to ruffle feathers. So here is sodium polycrylate, and this is a common form you find in like diapers and whatnot. But if you actually break out the powder and grind it down, and you can pour it in the water, just pour a little bit in. It's about a little bit more, and swirl it around. It's going to be a pretty cool effect. All right, and then we'll just top it off. Where's my stir stick? Oh, it is.
So what's...
Repeat what the solute is.
Okay, so we are just going to let
Say
that sit.
again?
Can you repeat what the solute is? What is that?
Oh no, it's a sodium. Where's the tube? Oh, there it is. It is sodium polyacrylate, and this is the first time we're actually doing this test. And it is going to be turning solid to the point.
It turns into sludge.
Yep, in the next minute, it will be completely a solid. It will. Oh, there it goes. So just a little
So that
bit.
went from liquid into
Yeah, it went from
solid.
glowing Kangen water to a solid. And it's pretty neat how that works. So now we're hitting the 5-minute mark. So I'm going to turn off the beaker. And while I'm doing that, turning off the electrolysis. I'll just turn that off there. And Jasmine, did you want to hold the light bulb up to the Tesla?
Sure.
And the reason I'm having her do that is
And so what's going on there?
it's wireless energy being produced by the Tesla. So you don't need to plug it into a lamp. The energy is wireless, and just like our water, when I first started testing it, we all looked at it. It was completely clear. It had no smell to it, had no taste, and now it's chemicals stuck to the side of the glass. The water looks dirty. And then this is my friend's drinking water that he ran through the water purifier. And we're gonna pour that in. And so by using some electricity, you have the beaker of truth. And this is what really he's drinking. It's just you can't see it unless you put a little bit of juice into it. So thank you everyone for watching. And again, this is video number 2 of 7. And the next video, we're going to be running some really intense tests. Because of the weather and schedules, we haven't been able to do the car labs. But I have a feeling it's going to be on video number 3. So thank you everyone, and have a blessed day. Talk to you soon.